2,000 or 2,500. I'm not stupid. I'm autistic. Alright. Oh, I don't want to look. Fuck it, I guess we're not gonna fucking look it up because the goddamn controller won't fucking work. You know what? Better yet, don't want to work? There we go. Throw it at the old wooden door there. And yes, I'm okay with throwing that controller. Tummy, let's do this. What are you making? Some THC drink, my friend. I don't drink alcohol. I just get stoned. Of course, the cord drops a little bit. $35 degrees, and it's still dropping for some reason. So let's do the one thing us stoners know how to do best. And you know what that is? Heat ourselves up by burning some bush. Oh shit! Alright, oh shit! That's not a very good sign. I can't go bare ass, sorry guys. I'm not here on Twitch. Oh. So really quickly, before we hop into this, I live in the state of Michigan where it is recreationally and kind of but now we gotta take us to my room. This is where all the magic happens. As you can see, I got clothes over here that I gotta get cleaned up today. I got my bed.
Hi from Germany too.
Hey Germany, how we doing?
I don't like shitting as it is. Imagine it going the other way.
I'm never gonna got up at like 2 a.m. and started streaming. I took like 3 hits. So weird. I'm trash at this. Am I okay? Yes, I'm very high, but I am okay.